Heavy rains caused flooding that hit Gansu province and Sichuan province, China. Floods that hit China have resulted in 12 people losing their lives and 12 others missing until Sunday, July 17, 2022. On Friday and Saturday, torrential rains that reached a height of 110 mm in Sichuan County, Sichuan Province, southwest China damaged residential areas. Not only that, the rain also cut off power lines and telecommunications networks. Rainfall as high as 98.9 mm in Longnan, northwest China's Gansu province which borders Sichuan province has triggered floods and landslides. As a result, 6 residents were reported missing. More than 40,000 residents in the two provinces were affected by the floods. A total of 1,323 Sichuan residents and 2,976 Longnan residents have been evacuated.